Welcome. You're here for the open house? Come on in. Here we have the open great room, great conversation area, luxury chandelier, tray ceilings, straight to upstairs. But first, I'm going to show you the kitchen.
A real wine cellar. Very open concept for the kitchen. We got cookies, snacks for you if you want.
Christmas music playing. Oversized windows, lots of natural sunlight. Golf course behind us.
Nice wet bar.
Really giving you a luxury feel. Here we're met with the office in the front of the house. Keep primary bedroom very open as well. The fireplace, king size bed, natural wood floors. Now let me show you this bathroom. Doesn't get better than this. And from the bedroom, we're able to just walk right outside to this beautiful private oasis. We got friends over, got the holidays coming up, cook some burgers on the grill. Now we'll go upstairs, where we relax in the theater room. This 6-bedroom, 6.5 bath home gives you ample space to host guests for the holidays, have family over. You really don't need to leave the house when you have a place like this in this luxury neighborhood. Everything is right here at your fingertips. Open entry to a second living area. There's another wet bar area just to entertain the guests upstairs. Now, last bedroom. This one's in. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Open House Crib. Can't wait to see you guys next time.